Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to embed or view or display Google Docs file in Elementor WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write embedpress. So this is plugin we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see embedpress, so click on it. So we are in plugin setting. So this is our global setting. Now you see embed iframe width, embed iframe height, but we are going to add Google Docs using widget. Now go to Elementor page and then refresh the page, and after on left side you see search widget. So right here embedpress, and then you see embedpress widget, so drag and drop here. Now go to Google Docs link. So this is a file link. Now copy. Now you see docs.google.com. We copy. Now go to Elementor widget again, and then you see source name default embed link. Now paste. So you can do widget setting according to requirement. Now you see Google Docs embed in our Elementor WordPress. You see style. If you want, you can set width and height according to requirement, and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page, and then you see Google Docs embed in our page by using embedpress plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.